Hey, my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another one from the Hermosa Hair.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Okay, love your hair, show your beauty, baby. So we're coming through with the unit from Hermosa Hair. We were so graciously provided a blonde, excuse me, sorry for the noise. So we were so graciously provided a blonde highlight wig. Okay, this is a 13 by 4. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Undetectable lace wig. Okay, she has 3 combs at the top. 1, 2, 1 in the middle. Okay, 1 at the bottom in adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. Look how beautiful this unit is. Like really, really stunning. I wish you guys could feel this hair. It feels phenomenal. Now, this is a bone straight unit. She is currently, this unit is 220% density. So at 220% density, 22 inches and a 13 by 4 translucent lace, this unit is currently going for $262. That's about $262 on hermosahair.com. So this is a mixed color 1B27. Okay, I'm bright eyed bushy tail because I'm a glue mother on down. Okay, I'm thinking I was going to do a whole day of filming, but you know what? No. Okay, so I'm going through. I'm gonna give you a nice, sexy bone straight look. Okay, because y'all know, sister, I love some bone straight hair. I'm already super into the color. Take a look at that color. So that's that 1B27 highlight. Okay, throughout. Let's dig on into her. I'm gonna shut my Mimi tape mouth, glue her the hell down, okay? And I'm gonna see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
All right, my loves, let's stick on into the gifts that Hermosa Hair had to provide. The wig cap, the lashes, and the band. I'm just going to go on through with my Ebon tinted lace to color this lace a little bit darker. She really does look phenomenal, but I want to make sure she looks like me, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So I'm going through with my Ebon lace bond, okay? I just want to make sure that she is melted all the way through. What I like to do is actually 2 layers of the Ibn Bond, okay? I'm using the black can this time around. This is actually my first time using the black can, and I must say there is a difference. At first I was like, what could possibly be the difference? But this unit was on my head for 3 days, okay? No BS. Like, I had to actively get me some baby oils and get her up off my mammy head, okay? Because I was done with it. But this unit is really, really stunning. The lace is really the piece de resistance. I'm just going on through and making sure that she is melted all the way down. Now, she didn't require a lot of work. I really want to put that out here. This unit is 220% density. She has a 13 by 4 lace. The color is 1B27. The lace is undetectable. She is pre-plucked, and she is giving the luxury that she is like providing. Like, it is providing big body bends banger, okay? So I'm just going on through. I'm going to use my Kenra hot spray on each section, and I'm going to go on through and use my Conair Infinity Pro flat irons and get this unit together. I really want her to be nice and sleek and sexy, and the best way to do this is using these flat irons. They are super inexpensive. I have no problem with paying a couple coins for hot tools. I'm really big on like all of the things, all the curling irons and everything like this, but this one right here I was very impressed with. Like, you did not have to break the bank to get the kind of style that you desire. Like, it really does come through, and it really is giving bone straight, bad to the bone, you know, Bone Thugs and Harmony. She's giving all those things. Now, this unit at 220% density and 22 inches is going for $261 on hermosahair.com. But don't you worry, they got all the ways. I know you got your taxes, sis. See, I'm not sure, but I'm sure. Okay, you picking up what I'm putting down? So I'm just going on through. I'm going to continue to flatten this unit throughout. Take a look at the lace, mother. I had to check it out real quick. Okay. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna use my hot spray in sections. Make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout, and then I'm gonna go and make sure I just use my Andes straightening comb and really get into the root of this, because one of the biggest things when you're laying a unit and you want her to be flat, you want to make sure that she's parted. Go through section by section and hit her right in the middle. Hit her right at the scalp, okay, with the hot comb. So I'm going to shut my Mimi Tat mouth. Let's finish up getting this unit together. And I'm going to see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
So first of all, I have Fenty on the lips because you guys asked last time and I didn't actually provide that information. So I'm letting you know now. I have Fenty Breadwinner, which is the darker color, and C-Sweet Heart, which is the lighter color, lighter pink. Hermosa hair. Come on to the front, love. Come on to the front. So we tried a wavy unit in Hermosa hair and I've loved it. I didn't like it. I loved it. Okay. Now this unit here is coming out the scalp. Look at that. Look at that. Go ahead and look. Phenomenal. So I very rarely do this. Rarely. But I would like Hermosa hair to take me out on another date. I am obsessed with this collection. I'm obsessed with Hermosa hair. It is official. This unit is phenomenal. Now again, she's 220% density. So she's thick. And she's thick like me. She's thick like me. You picking up what I'm putting down, okay? Really, really stunning unit. Like, I'm really feeling this. I don't love how yellow I look under here, guys. I don't know what that's about. But there we go. I think that might have been better. I had to blend, honey. This unit is stunning. Stunning, okay? The hair is really, really beautiful. I used my hot spray by Kenra really to just go through and just heat protect this unit before I got really dug into her with my Conair Infinity Pro Conair flat irons. Let me tell you something. These are super inexpensive and these are super fantastic. Period. Absolutely positively worth the price. I'll make sure I leave that product as well below. I'm obsessed. I think this unit is stunning. She's a really thick, silky texture. So when you think like, oh, like silky, like sexy, silky, if the wind blow, the hair gonna blow, that kind of, you know what I mean? So this unit is phenomenal. I really don't have any gripes with it. The cap construction is amazing. The lace is amazing. That was me dancing, by the way. That was me dancing, by the way. I don't think it's anything wrong with this. I love the color. Sometimes I find that when I get these kind of units that are like highlighted or anything like that, it's uneven. If you part it in the middle, perfection. I love the blonde. I showed you guys the back. She is so nasty. I love this unit and I really cannot get over how beautiful this hair is. Like, it is really beautiful to the touch. I love even how even it is at the ends. Like, even that is like they said, we're going to give you 22 inches all the way to the tip of the hair. Love it. Love it. This is phenomenal. This is so well done. You guys need to check out hermosahair.com. Wonderful. I am a believer. I'm a believer. Is that a song or did I just make that up? I might have just made that up. But the point is, I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Do me a favor, but still, subscribe to this Mammy Tatum channel. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna hate if I have to come back and do my makeup because I don't like the way this looks on camera. I'm gonna hate. I'm gonna be so freaking pissed. So let's pray about it, okay? Pray about it. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye!